Okay. Good morning, guys. Today we will make banana pudding. Okay, this are the ingredients: banana, condensed milk. We will make whipping cream, and this is cookies. This is French vanilla mousse, 2 cups of milk, and the cream cheese. Let's start by putting the cookies in the molder. Okay, we will arrange the cookies by putting it here. Okay guys, this is very good snack or dessert. And the kids will love it. Not only kids, but even us as adults. After that, we can slice now the banana and arrange it also. Then we will make the whipping cream now. We will put 1.5 cup of milk, Lucerne whipping cream. Now we can mix it. Okay guys, look at the whipping cream. Okay? We will put 2 tablespoons of sugar on the whipping cream. Okay guys, look at the cream now. It's okay now. Okay, we will set aside the whipping cream. Mix also the milk and then the French vanilla. We'll set aside this one. Now we will mix the milk. 2 cups of milk. And then the French vanilla mousse. And then we will mix it. Now it's done. We will mix this cream cheese. We'll put in the bowl. Put the condensed milk. We have to mix it. Okay, we will mix it. Hello to Gabi. Hello to Michelle. Hello to Danny Boy. Hello to Maddie. Hello to Princess. Hello to Amora. This is the cream cheese and condensed milk. Toast. Okay, then we'll mix it. Okay, now we will mix it. 3 mixture, the whipping cream, French vanilla, and then the cream cheese and condensed milk. We will mix it by fold. Okay, we will mix it. It's good. Those love creamy dessert, this is good for you guys. And if you have lots of bananas that are ripe, this is good to make. Okay, now we can put it in the banana and the cookies. We will flatten it, and after that can add the cookies and banana again. Okay, after we put the pudding mixture, we can top up with banana again. Okay. Okay, it's almost done, and then we can top up with the cookies. Okay, we'll top up now with the cookies. Those who have kids, you can prepare this ahead and then put in the refrigerator and give it to them during their snacks. Okay guys, it's done. It's very simple. See? And then we will put this in the refrigerator, okay?
Heto, titikman natin itong banana pudding, At purihin ng Panginoon dahil may inabutan pa ako. Akala ko'y ubos na. Look at that. Gustong-gusto ng mga anak namin, Nagbabaon pa sila. So, let's eat. Oh, boy. Mukhang napakasarap talaga. Akala ko naubusan na ako. Okay. Wow! Napakalinamnam, ang sarap-sarap. Ang sarap-sarap. Tamang-tama lang ang tamis. Ang sarap. Ang sarap mga ka-tribe. Approve na approve ito, Kaya pala, kunti na lang ang inabutan ko, I want to eat it all. Pero magtitira ako sa mga bata dahil minabaon daw nila. Okay, guys. Thank you. If you like our video, please subscribe, like, and share, and put your comments. We are willing to interact with you. We appreciate your time with us for viewing our video. You know that we are new and we have just uploaded the 13th video. And we will be uploading this soon as the 14th video. So, thank you and God bless. Mabuhay!